Sezegnon. He sees things so well, intelligent defending. Doesn't waste many passes. Shot! It's an attempt on goal. Didn't meet it as he meant to.
Just got to concentrate a little bit more. Just snatched it.
Nuer. On to Downey. Sahi. No need to stop play. They've still got... Ref tried to play an advantage, but there was no advantage to be had as it turned out. He's pulled the play back. Big chance! I'll have to come up with something better than that. McLean. Looking to get at the defence here. What a chance! It's come for the defender. Seized on the ball in a flash. Well played. Got to do better than that.
Well, if at first you don't succeed, then try and try again.
Agger. Here's Allen. Joe Allen. Now Allen. Gerrard is not sure of support here, the possibilities. Rather anxious clearance. Forced away, but they've not cleared their lines. More pressure.
Yeah, they've got it away, Clive, but they really can't squeeze up too far from there. Johnson.
Directed forwards. Blocked by the keeper. Sebastian Larsson. Oh, he's in the clear, he's got away. Cut that out well, didn't he? Settled for conceding the throw-in. Larsson. Gardner. He's a real up-and-downer, isn't he? So much energy.
Every team needs a player like this.
Played a nice ball. Not able to get through. These two teams look evenly matched, and Liverpool know it. Oh, look at this for a chance! Fancies his chances. Stopped by the keeper. Liverpool have had many famous managers, Kenny Dalglish, Rafa Benitez, Graham Souness. Their most successful manager was Bob Paisley in the 70s and 80s. Their most loved manager, his predecessor, Bill Shankly. There's a statue of Shankly outside the Kop. Now Johnson. Gerrard has an opportunity to get forward. Saeed. Now speculative. He's got a chance here. Goal! They've taken an early lead. What a superb finish. He really finished it in style.
That's a beautifully controlled finish. He's really struck that hard and low. Goalkeeper hasn't got a chance with that one.
They've made the breakthrough. It's 1-0. Casemiro. Sessegnon. What a fine pass. It's a throw-in an advanced position. Good pass. Can he get to it? It's a bit of an escape for the defence. They've got some crucial tackles and blocks in, but they're under intense pressure. Gardner. Well, that's a good pass. Real chance. Couldn't put a single question mark about the fitness and physical condition of these players. Just so little space. Possession has been given up here. Good play. Cut it out back before anything could develop.
Just looking to relieve the pressure and clear his lines. Sebastian Larsson. Keeper can watch it go for a goal kick. Agger.
This is Anfield, says the sign above the players' tunnel at the entrance of the pitch here at Liverpool. An intimidating welcome to an intimidating football ground.
Clive, Anfield is just such a unique place. I've played down there on that surface. It's incredible. It's just the fulfilment, I think, of every young man's dream to come and play your football at Anfield.
They're on the attack here. Has a swing! He scored! It's all square now! Such a swift break. Their opponent simply had no answer to it.
Just stunned, weren't they, Clive? It just happened all so very quickly.
Match is underway, so it's 1-1. Now, can he bring the men to his left into play?
Sessegnon.
Using the ball well. This looks promising. He has support in the middle. What can he do here? Tries a shot, and that's nowhere near total miscue. Now, can they get something from this corner?
Suarez. This is Stuart Downey.
Here's Johnson. It's going to be a throw-in. Allen. His teammates in support. Making a move towards goal here. That's a shame.
It's gone out for a throw down by the corner flag.
And that's given away.
Spent wide by Glenn Johnson.
Using the ball well here. He'll have a go! Now Campbell.
Nuer. Downey.
Here's Allen.
This is Steven Gerrard. Joe Allen.
Pushing forward here. That's a waste. They're often dangerous from these.
Larsson. McLean.
Sessegnon. Not short of support. Has a chance here. A chance to shoot. Oh, great athleticism from the keeper. They just need a good delivery.
Scrambled away to safety.
Got it away, but not far enough. Still under pressure here.
Reasonable distance on that clearance, but he would have liked more.
Johnson.
On to Gerrard.
Now Johnson.
Steven Gerrard.
Good defending, anticipated that well. Using it well. Not quite. Not a bad strike. They've got it!
It's a goal to make the manager a very proud man. There's a real balance and understanding about this team that he's put together.
Lots of good movement, lovely technical ability, and a sweet finish. That's a beautiful goal.
Here we go again. Scores 2-1. Gardner.
Sesegnon. Always looking to get forward with the ball. Got a bit carried away there, didn't look. Their play's a bit untidy at times.
It is, and it's careless, isn't it? Because they're in a good position there.
Won't bother the goalkeeper, it'll be a goal kick. Joe Allen. Jose Enrique. Now Allen. It's well worked. Nice pass. Sahi. Looking to get at the defence here. Picked the pass nicely. Stuart Downey. Johnson's pass intercepted. Parsley. Sesegnon. Well cut out. Catamo. Useful ball. Sight of goal! It's a corner. We all know what they can do from corners. Headed out of danger. Cleared their lines, but it'll come right back at them, I'm afraid.
Yeah, they need to clear it further than that if they're going to get a rest.
Referee brings the first half to an end. Scores 2 goals to 1.
Well, sometimes you can get a game where quite clearly you've got one team which dominates, but this isn't the case today. These two teams are very evenly matched. They seem to know each other inside out. They've had very similar amounts of possession. Be interesting to see which way this goes.
All ready for the second half. It's a match to enjoy, that's for sure. Agger. Joe Allen. Allen. Beautifully done. Gardner. Sebastian Larsson. It's a nice pass. To deliver here. Chance! He's had a go! Keeper parries. Worth a try! It'll take more than that to beat him. Rather anxious clearance. Gardner. Sesegnon. Defenders have got a problem here. He's got men either side here. He's got a chance. Great stop. Grabbed with both hands.
Great hands from Rayner. That's a stunning stop.
Passing the ball so well. Here's Gerrard. Here's Johnson. Here's Allen. There's a cohesion about this team now. Agger. Always looking to stretch their opponents. It was well cut out. Sesegnon. Looking to get forward here. His passing's good there. Someone's unmarked. Defence survived that as much by luck as judgment. It was pretty desperate stuff, but they smuggled it away eventually. Didn't make the most of that, did they? Now Allen. I don't know if he has ever scored from that range before, but it was optimistic to say the least. Found Gerrard. Agger. Looking to carry the attack to them here. Out over the line, and it's a throw in. He's in quite a bit of pain by the looks of it. That's a sore one.
No, he looks badly injured, Clive. I don't think there's any way he's going to continue after that.
Maybe some fresh legs will do it for him. A chance for the substitute to go on and make a name for himself. And who knows, maybe save the game. Gardner. Catamol. Good use of the ball. Good defending. Allen. Unable to keep hold of the ball. So it'll be a throw. Are some injuries you can treat or run off, but not this one, I'm afraid.
Yeah, that looks a nasty one, Clive. I'm afraid he's going to need to be replaced.
Is going to gamble here. He feels he's got to change something if they're going to get anything out of this match, and here is the change. Jose Enrique. Chance to score. I began to wonder if they were ever going to get it clear then. Wave after wave of attacks. It was a case of man the barricades. Vaughan. They're on the attack here. Got a bit sloppy there, didn't concentrate, and they're on the back foot now.
That's frustrating. Just as they get higher up the pitch, they give the ball away.
Here's Steven Gerrard. Here's Allen. He is a good passer.
That's a poor pass. Not quite sure who he was looking for there. Throw in.
We have a substitution here. The manager trying something new now in the hope of saving the game. This will test them. No way past. Saeed. Good play. Using the ball well here. What can he do here? Oh yes, there's the equaliser. Some teams struggle to get the most out of having an extra man. Not this one. Good goal.
Keep the ball moving about. With the extra man, you must score more goals.
Nothing to separate them. It's 2-2. Agger. Now Allen. Always danger when this man's on the ball. Now, can they open them up? It's a chance. It's a thrilling passage of play. Looks certain to produce a goal, but the defence got away with it somehow. Darren Fletcher. Can't afford to lose the ball like that. Now support here. Sesegnon. Real chance. Managed to block it. They do carry an aerial threat. Scrambled away to safety. He can put a crossover now. With his head, didn't seem to meet the ball properly.
Or he won't need reminding that that's a great chance. What a chance that is to give his team the lead.
Good. Allen. Got a chance here to take a long throw. Now Steven Gerrard. Whistle's gone. Offside, I think. Steven Fletcher. Larson. Sesegnon. Pushing forward here. attack comes to nothing. They've got to be careful not to get caught on the break here.
Oh, that is frustrating. I thought there was something in that, but now they have to get back and get their shape.
Here's Allen. It's Gerrard now. He picks his passes so well, doesn't he? Controls the whole game.
Makes it look so very, very easy. That's a really good pass.
Little ball played in. The goalkeeper was always favourite for that cross. Now Allen. Joe Allen. Gerrard can pick someone out here. Trying to build some pressure here. They won't fall in for that one. Johnson. Did read that well, didn't he? Ref deserves a lot of credit, actually. He let it go initially, but there was no advantage, so he's given the free kick now. Made a nice ball. Through on goal. Draisler. He's put it away. It's funny how often an extra man counts for nothing, but they've made it count now.
That's a good goal, Clive. They've made the most of having the extra man out there.
Oh, that's a glorious ball in and deserves to end up in the back of the net.
Underway once more. It's 3-2. Allen. Downey. Now Stuart Downing. Always looking to get forward with the ball. Letting the ball do the work. Hard to find a way through. Stephen Fletcher. Now Johnson. Nuer. Spread wide by Stuart Downing. Gone past him all too easily. Defender's got to do better there. This could be their final chance.
I don't know what that was supposed to be. I think he was daydreaming there.
Sebastian Larsson. Gardner. Well, they'll have to try to find a better pass than that one. Vaughan. Suarez. Little back heel. Here's Steven Gerrard. Looking to get at the defence here. Made sure he got his body in the way. Gerrard stepped in to make the interception. Good pass. Needs to cross. Here's a chance. They didn't make the pressure pay there. The defence was able to get it away. Genuine chance. Sahi, we're just about to find out how much added time there's going to be. Yeah, it's 3 minutes. Rather anxious clearance. Dug out a clearance, but they've got to keep the ball better than that. Still danger.
Yeah, a bit of distance on that clearance, but now they've lost possession. They're coming back at them.
Stephen Fletcher. Vaughan. There's the ball in. Oh, look at this for a chance! That was a situation of real danger developing there. The defender did so well. Here's Allen. Joe Allen. This may be the last throw of the dice. They've got to make this pressure tell, and now. Chance maybe. I suppose you'd have to say the defender was well positioned. That's as far as it goes. No more time to add. That's the final whistle. No harm done.